Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry Hokkien noodles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 500 grams of fresh Hokkien noodles and your chosen protein, such as chicken or shrimp. Next, chop your vegetables like bok choy, carrots, and bell peppers into consistent, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Finally, whisk together your stir-fry sauce using soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a hint of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large pan over high heat until it's shimmering. Add your protein, whether it's sliced chicken, beef, or shrimp, and stir-fry until it's fully cooked and has a nice golden brown sear. Then, toss in your prepared vegetables, cooking them for just 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be crisp tender, retaining their vibrant color and a slight bite. Now it's time to introduce the star of the dish, the Hokkien noodles. Add them directly to the wok, gently separating any clumps to ensure they cook evenly. Next, pour your premixed stir-fry sauce over the noodles and vegetables. Using tongs or a spatula, toss everything together thoroughly. Make sure every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated in that delicious, savory sauce. To finish, garnish your delicious stir-fry with fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. Serve your Hokkien noodles immediately while they are still hot to enjoy the perfect blend of flavors and textures. This dish is fantastic on its own or paired with other Asian-inspired sides. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.